Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the NoBlu Vision glasses. So as you can see right here, we have it here on Amazon. So we can read this about this item. So they claim to have versatile protection, efficiently filters out harmful blue light, comfortable design, stylish appearance, visual clarity, durable construction. So if you actually head on over down here to the reviews, they're actually rated 2.4 out of 5 stars with 9 global ratings. And let's read some reviews here. So may work for you, but description did not help me. Item description stated that it would allow better vision and ability to have long exposure to blue screen. If you have perfect vision, then this may be the glasses for you. I will be returning this item, and hopefully the description will be updated with better information. Get your eyeglasses from your eye doctor. I don't know what's the purpose of these glasses. We can't see out of them at all. Trying to get a return label, but it was never sent. Don't work. These are barely cheaply made total plastic, and they do not work. Not worth the price of glasses, blurry. Save your money and your eyes. And actually, right here on NoBlu glasses on Trustpilot, they have 38 reviews, which they are rated 1.5 out of 5 stars, which is bad. So let's read the reviews here. So this is 1 star, 1 star, 1 star also. Vision blurry with glasses horrible. 1 star. These are cheap glasses that do nothing. 1 star again. NA. Don't waste your time. Completely plastic. Piece of, I wish I had read the reviews before I purchased the glasses. Typical Chinese garbage. Obviously, do not recommend buying. Scam. So please do not buy these glasses. They are very obviously a scam. Maybe they're just drop ship glasses, just for the sake of being glasses. So yeah. Please save your money and do not order from them. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.